Curious if 3D printing is worth the hype? Well, you're not alone. Many people are fascinated by the possibilities that 3D printing offers, but they also wonder if it lives up to its promises. Let's break down the pros and cons. By understanding both the advantages and the limitations, you can make an informed decision about whether 3D printing is the right choice for you. First up, let's talk about the pros. There are several compelling reasons why 3D printing has captured the imagination of so many. One huge advantage of 3D printing is customization. This technology allows for an unprecedented level of personalization. Imagine crafting unique designs tailored just for you, like a custom phone case or even a prosthetic limb. Awesome, right? The ability to create something that fits your exact specifications is truly revolutionary. Whether it's for personal use or for a business, customization can set you apart from the crowd. Next, rapid prototyping. Designers can quickly create, test, and refine their ideas without needing expensive molds or tools. This is a game changer for industries that rely on innovation and speed. This speeds up innovation big time. By allowing for quick iterations, designers can experiment with different concepts and bring their ideas to life faster than ever before. Another significant benefit is the reduction of waste. Traditional manufacturing often leads to excess material waste. With 3D printing, you use only what's needed, making it a more sustainable option. This efficiency not only saves materials, but also reduces costs and environmental impact. Lastly, complex geometries. The ability to create intricate designs is one of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing. 3D printing can make intricate designs that are impossible or super costly with traditional methods. This opens up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While 3D printing has many advantages, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Let's check out the cons. Understanding these limitations is crucial for making an informed decision. One downside is limited material options. While 3D printing offers a range of materials, it still can't match the variety available in traditional manufacturing. While versatile, 3D printing can't yet match the material variety of traditional manufacturing. This can be a significant limitation for certain applications that require specific material properties. This can limit its applications. For example, industries that require high-strength materials or specific chemical properties may find 3D printing less suitable. Also, 3D printing can be slow, especially for large or highly detailed objects. The printing process can take hours or even days, depending on the complexity and size of the object. So, it's less ideal for mass production. If you need to produce large quantities of an item quickly, traditional manufacturing methods are still more efficient. Then there's the high initial cost. Investing in quality 3D printers and materials can be expensive. Quality 3D printers and materials can be pricey, which might be a hurdle for small businesses. The initial investment can be a significant barrier to entry. Lastly, not all 3D printed items match the strength or finish quality of traditionally made goods. This is an important consideration for applications that require high durability and a polished finish. This could be a deal breaker for certain applications needing high durability. For example, parts that need to withstand significant stress or wear may not be suitable for 3D printing. So, is 3D printing right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and goals. It's a powerful tool with incredible potential, but you've got to weigh the pros and cons based on your needs, goals, and resources. Consider what you want to achieve and whether 3D printing can help you get there. Thanks for watching. We hope this breakdown has given you a clearer understanding of the pros and cons of 3D printing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest technologies. Stay tuned for more videos where we explore the fascinating world of technology and innovation.